back to my happy home, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you are having a very wonderful and blessed day so far. So in this video I'm taking you along with me while I do a after Christmas refresh in my kitchen. So if you like to see how I decorate my kitchen for after the holidays, then keep on watching. And this is the space that I'm going to be working with. So as you know, or maybe not, I like to start off with a clean space. So I took out everything and I cleaned, wiped down my countertop and my backsplash, and my stove is all cleaned, and I just put everything away. I already hung up my sign that I have throughout the year. And up here I left those two apothecary jars and my biscuit jar because those are going to stay where they are. But everything else I did take out, and I'm going to start all fresh. I am not going to be talking throughout this video, so while I'll decorate this space, I'm going to leave you with some music. I will be doing some commenting here and there, but I will leave you with music to enjoy this video.
I want to go with a smaller tray for this space and use my tea and coffee jars. For a pop of color, I'm using this cute greenery. A simple apothecary jar and some faux fruits will give you that clean, elegant look. And what is a kitchen without any treats, right? So here I am filling two of my apothecary jars
subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very blessed day, and see you again in my next video really